Okay, so here we're given a Poisson process with lambda and t. Lambda is 0.14 and t is 15. And then we're asked to find the following probabilities of things and then the mean and the standard deviation. So what's nice is we can just use a statcrunch calculator for this. I just go over here. So under the calculators, let's see if I can do this to the side and go back to the question on this side. So under the calculators, if I go to, I think it's stat calculators, there's the binomial calculator that we used in chapter 6.2, but now we're going to go down to Poisson. And the mean, of course, is really just, you have to give the mean in order to use the calculator, but it's the lambda times the t, so 0.14 times 15. Which gives us 2.1. Okay. And then we just want to do what's the probability that it's exactly 5. It actually helps to do the in-between for exactly 5, because then we can put 5 and 5 here and compute. And we get 0.0416. We're supposed to round to the 4 decimal places as needed. 417, right? If I round up to that 6 up to a 7. And let's check that. Okay. And then to go less than 5, let's go back to the standard calculator. And less than 5 is really, oh, I think I can do less than here. Yeah, less than 5, sorry. And compute. And we've got, what, 90, whoops, 0.9. We're again supposed to do it to 4 decimal places, 9379. Okay, and then greater than or equal to 5. That's actually just going to be the complement of, 1 minus this, but I'll do it on the calculator to show you. Greater than or equal to 5 is going to be 0.0621. Yeah, still 4 decimal places. I always check because sometimes, like on the 3rd or 4th part, they change how many decimal places they want it rounded to, which is real annoying. But sometimes it's because the probability is so small that it wouldn't really register if you didn't. So always watch out for that. Now this is between 3 and 5. So between 3 and 5, the probability that we get between 3 and 5 successes, and that is it's still 4 decimal places, 3299. Okay. And the last one is just to do the mean. We actually, to use the calculator, we had to figure out the mean, right? Which is 2.1. And we got that just by multiplying the lambda times the t. And here the standard deviation is just a formula for Poisson distribution. It's the square root of the mean. It's almost that for the binomial, but it's not quite the square root of the mean. But in the Poisson, it's just that simple. So we just take the square root. Let's see if I can do it on Google. And I get 1.44. Okay, how many decimal places do I need that to? 3 decimal places. Yeah, so here's, they have us rounded to 2 decimal places, here to 3, whereas all the other previous questions were 4. So it's a little sneaky. So 3 decimal places would be 1.449. All right. So that's how to handle this, just basic Poisson problem. They're going to give us other word problems where you have to kind of decipher what's lambda and t. But here it's just kind of all laid out for us, and all we have to do is use the calculator to get it right. So I hope that helps.